Can you able to see my desktop?
Yeah.
So currently, actually, you are working in IT or non-IT?
Sorry?
Currently, you are working in IT or non-IT? I'm asking you.
Yeah, I'm working as an end user right now. SAP.
So how many persons are there in the meeting? You are the only one person.
Yeah, I think I'm the only one. And one more
Mhm.
Altech, the host is there. And me.
Okay. But I am able to hear only your voice. That's why I'm asking.
Yeah, I think I'm the only guy.
You are the only one person in demo.
Yeah. And one more guy was left from the session.
No,
Yes.
she is joining. Just 1 second. She is here to join. She joined already.
So do you have any idea in SAP?
Yeah, I have a total 3.6 months I have experience. So I'm working purely on accounts payable in SAP domain only.
Okay.
So now I'm planning to move as a consultant.
So actually, your voice is very low.
Now now are you audible?
Yeah.
Totally I have 3.6 years of experience in accounts payable department.
Mm-hmm.
I'm working on SAP only. So now
Mm-hmm.
I'm planning to move as a consultant part.
Okay. Okay. So I'm giving the basic introduction about SAP. Okay.
Okay.
You can able to see my slide, correct?
1 second. Yeah.
So like actually in the market, so we have different softwares are available, right?
Yeah.
So why people they are choosing only SAP? What is the reason? So this is the basic questions for everyone, correct?
Yeah.
So here I'm showing some business scenario. For example, now actually we are planning to buy one mobile. Okay, we are going to one showroom. Okay, so once you go to the showroom, you want to approach one person, correct?
Yeah.
For whom you are approaching first? Any idea?
We will approach the vendor who is the seller of that product. We will ask.
You are approaching vendor. Why?
Vendor
You
means
are,
vendor in the sense we will ask the showroom guy.
yeah, showroom guy, correct?
Yeah.
That is called a salesperson, right?
Yeah.
So here also I'm giving the same scenario.
Okay.
One customer actually looking one product, okay? So he is going to one manufacturing company. So he is approaching first one salesperson for the product, okay?
Okay.
Then salesperson they have to check the product is available or not, correct?
Yeah.
So which team actually they are keeping the product? Any idea?
Sorry?
Which department they have the product? Any idea on that?
I think procurement.
Hmm.
No,
Inventory.
I don't know. Yeah, inventory. Okay.
Inventory, right?
Okay.
So now in the inventory department, there is no product. Product are not available.
Okay.
Then sales team actually they have to check the raw material.
Yeah.
So which department they have the raw material? Any idea?
Warehouse team, I think so.
So here the department name is production and planning.
Okay.
See here only actually I'm having the raw material. Okay.
Okay.
And now in the production and planning also, the raw materials out of stock.
Okay.
I have to purchase the raw material.
Okay.
For whom I want to purchase the raw material? Any idea?
Raw material. No, I don't have.
I have to buy the raw material from the vendor.
Yeah.
I receive the goods from the vendor.
Okay.
I have to keep the goods somewhere, correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
So where I am keeping the goods? Warehouse.
Yeah. Warehouse.
Here I'm giving one more name is called shop floor execution.
Okay.
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 This is like factory. So here only I'm doing the manufacturing for the product. Okay.
Yeah.
So once I'm completing the manufacturing, then I inform to the sales team. Then sales team will sell the product to the customer. So
Yeah.
here, what I'm asking, without bill we can sell the product to the customer.
No, we can't.
So we need invoice, correct?
Yeah.
So which department actually they'll prepare the invoice?
Invoice. I think a procurement team. I think so.
No, finance team.
Sorry.
Finance.
Finance. They will prepare. Okay. No issue.
I'm asking invoice.
How finance will interact with invoice? Okay. Okay. No issue. We can carry on.
No, see, you'll get the billing from the finance team only, no? Invoice copy and all.
Okay.
Which department they'll prepare the billing actually? Tell me, as per your idea.
So as per my idea, so from the vendor side, we will get the. I mean, this one.
No, from vendor side, we will get the bill from their end, that invoice
Yeah.
from vendor. But from company end, we will get it from finance department.
From
That
the
is why I'm asking.
company, we will
Vendor
settle
side,
the. No.
the
From the
vendor side
company side, we
also.
will settle.
See, we will get the bills from vendor when we purchase the raw materials. So when we are selling the final
Yeah.
product, we will give the invoice from finance department.
Yeah. That is only I'm telling. So
Mhm.
see, what I'm telling, it is from company side. I'm telling. So I think so. He's thinking about from the vendor side.
Yeah, I'm asking generally. Don't confuse here, okay? Generally, I'm asking which department they'll prepare the invoice copy. Simple.
Okay. From the vendor side, they will finance team will raise the invoice.
Yeah, finance side only they will raise the invoice, correct?
Yeah.
So here finance also coming to the picture, okay?
Yeah.
So here I already told you the shop floor execution is called factory.
Yeah.
There are two types of laborers are working here.
Okay.
One is like a direct labor and one more is like indirect labor. Correct?
Yeah.
I want to recruit the labor in my company. The which department they are doing the recruiting?
HR department.
HR department, correct?
Yeah.
Here actually HR also coming to the picture now.
Yes.
So now actually I'm having all the department in my company, correct?
Yeah.
So here actually I'm facing some problem. So what problem I'm facing here?
There's no problem.
One more girl actually in the middle actually. She is the institute side or she is attending demo?
Um, I don't know who's that. It's Helen Tech means.
No, she is attending. He is talking about you, Andrea. So Andrea and Sanju both are attending the demo, and this
Okay.
is the host which I am there.
Okay. See, right now actually I'm having all the department. So what problem I'm facing here?
Integration.
there is no real-time integration between all the departments.
Yeah.
So each and every time I have to call all the departments, otherwise I have to send the mail. So
Yeah.
then only I will come to know the details, correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
This kind of problem I'm facing here. So if you come down little bit, the software itself divided into two types: decentralized system and
Centralized.
centralized system. So first we will see decentralized system. So decentralized system means the data is maintained locally at the individual department. Departments do not have access to the data of other department and business unit. It means I'm maintaining a server separately for all the department. So I can't able to see your data, you can't able to see my data. Hello?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Listening.
So this kind of problem I'm facing in the decentralized system. So if you see the same business process now, again actually the same customer coming to my business. See now actually he needs a product on urgent basis.
Okay.
Again what will happen? Customer inform to sales team, then sales they'll check the product with the inventory department, right?
Yeah.
For example, the customer is waiting more than 3 to 4 hours in my business, in my office. So finally, he is not getting the product also. So what I'm asking here, the same customer next time is coming or not?
He won't.
He won't, correct? Finally, what happened from the customer side?
We
Customer
lose that
select,
You
customer
lose the
order.
selects
goodwill.
another vendor.
Yeah.
If customer selects
Customer
another
will
vendor
select one.
in your business, for you profit or loss?
Loss on.
Loss.
Loss only, correct? So that is why actually I mentioned here, loss of revenue and customer dissatisfaction. So what are the problems I'm facing in the decentralized means? Risk of duplication data, timing and money consuming process. Due to time process, customer will not satisfy. And the same customer is not the permanent customer for me. So this kind of problem I'm facing in the decentralized system. Okay. Now, what is the solution for this? Before solution, I'm giving some example of ERP. Oracle. Everyone know Oracle software, correct?
Yeah.
That is related to finance.
Yes.
PeopleSoft. That is related to HR. BAN. That is related to production and purchase. JD Edwards related to sales.
Else.
Why people they are choosing SAP means all the above mentioned division coming under one model. It's integrated between all the model. So in my business, no need to buy different software. If I'm buying only one software, it is suitable for all the business. That is why people they are choosing SAP. You understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Finally, SAP means is the centralized system. So the data is maintained in the central location and shared with the various department. So no need to call you. So once I install SAP, it's integration between all the models. So each department they have access input data of other department business unit. So you have my access for the data. If you want to see, I have access. Like that, some visibility is there. Finally, the same customer coming to my business, sales team no need to contact inventory because the inventory details they are updated here. You understood?
Yes, sir.
That is why people they are moving to SAP. Finally, the word, what I'm telling here, second line, it's very important. SAP provides information across department in the real time. Okay. So finally, SAP is the centralized enterprise management system. Is also known as ERP. SAP is the centralized software. It is not a decentralized software. Okay. Till now, I'm asking one question. So you know about Tally, correct?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Tally is the centralized or decentralized software.
Decentralized.
How will you know decentralized?
Same like we have to maintain the records separately. So for the different departments.
Hmm. So Tally means that is finance related software, correct?
Yeah.
In Tally, I can't able to pull the report HR and the materials and all, correct?
Yes.
That is why it's the decentralized software. So you have to understand the software like this first. Okay. So now you have the idea.
Sorry.
Any doubt on this?
No, no,
No. Any doubt on this regarding the software?
no, we don't.
No doubt. So shall I move to the next screen?
Yeah.
Yes,
Sure.
sir.
So now actually I'll come for the job. Okay.
I think your voice is getting better.
So jobs are three types: implementation, testing, and support in SAP. Okay. In these three only actually you'll get the job. Implementation, testing, and support. So implementation means you are doing the configuration. Testing means based on the configuration you have to do the testing. Support means after go live we have to give the support for the client. Okay, you understood?
Yeah, yeah.
So once I get the project from the client, I have to design the system. Okay, that method is called ASAP methodology. So this methodology where I am using in the implementation time. Okay. So here total 5 stages are there: project preparation, business blueprint, realization, final preparation, go live and support. So we'll see one by one what is the meaning for project preparation. So project preparation, it means so here actually I have to set up the goal. Within how many months I have to complete this implementation project, because I have to inform to the client. So this is very important here, duration of the project. So once I set up the duration here, then second thing I have to set up the team. How many consultant I need in this project? For example, FICO, ABAP, SD, SAP basis. Actually, I have to decide the team. So this and all actually doing by project manager. Okay. Any doubt on this?
No, no, no.
So once I decide these two, then second step is called a business blueprint. So here only I am preparing the transaction code for the business. For example, if you don't know the meaning for transaction code. So this is called a transaction code. Creation of company, creation of company code. I'm using this transaction code in the implementation time. So this transaction code where I'm preparing the business blueprint. So once I prepare the transaction code here, then I'll come for the realization. So here only actually I'm doing the configuration. So configuration means like the same thing, creation of company code like this. So once I prepare the configuration here, then I have to do for the testing. That is coming under final preparation. So after doing the testing here, everything is fine. Then after that, go live under support. From from the client side, actually, they will start the business from here. Okay. In the production side, actually, if they're facing any problem, we have to give the support for the client. So your job in 3 locations: realization, final preparation, and support. In the realization only, you're doing the configuration. Final preparation, you are doing the testing. And after go live, you have to give the support. So this is your job. You understood? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So this is the last slide for you. So when the SAP starts from 1972 from Germany. Okay, so it's a German software. So what is the meaning for SAP means system, application, product in data processing. So this is the meaning for SAP. Then we'll come to know the server. The first server, SAP R1, they are launching in 1972. Second server is SAP R2, they are launching in 1979. Third server R3, they are launching in 1992. So currently actually I'm teaching under R3. What is the meaning for R1? R1 means it's the first version. So why I'm telling here R1 means because only one server. In this server actually I'm maintaining presentation, application plus database. Total 3 applications. That is why I mentioned here R1. Now R2. So R2 is the second version. So why I mentioned here R2 means there are 2 types of server. Server 1 is presentation, server 2 is application plus database. So currently actually we are using SAP R3. This is the third server. So total 3 servers. Server 1 is presentation, server 2 is application, server 3 is database. So what is the meaning for R? R stands for real time. T stands for 3-tier application. So this presentation layer used by end user, application layer used by consultant, database layer used by technical team, SAP basis team and SAP hardware team. Then GUI. So once you get the job, they will install SAP in your laptop. Okay, one symbol is there. That is called GUI, graphical user interface. So every day you have to log in here. Currently, actually, I'm using which version? Up to June 2004, ECC 5.0. After October 2005 onwards, ECC 6.0. So ECC means ERP Central Component. So currently, actually, I'm teaching under ECC 6.0 version. So what is ERP. ERP means Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise means company. Resource means money, machine, and manpower. Planning means based on the above two, we have to do some plan. This is the meaning for ERP. Now I'll come to the designation. So once you get the job in your offer letter, if you are doing FICO or SD, this coming under functional consultant, your designation. If you are doing ABAP or basis, this is coming under technical consultant. If you are doing both FICO plus ABAP, this is coming under techno-functional consultant. This is your designation. So how many models are there in SAP? There are two types of model, functional and technical. So currently, actually, if you're doing FI and CO, that is coming under functional model. If you're doing SAP ABAP, that is coming under technical model. Final one, my syllabus. In FI, actually, I'm teaching GL, accounts payable, accounts receivable, asset accounting. And in CO, controlling side, this is called management accounting. Here I'm teaching cost center, profit center, internal order, product costing. So this is my syllabus. So you are